Hey there everyone, hope you all are doing good. I have another master lock for you here. Got this one in the same bunch as the other one. This one is actually pretty old. I'm not sure exactly how old these are, but it's got the original lion key. This thing is actually pretty small. This is a number 7 laminated padlock. Yeah, these things are pretty neat. I like that lion key. I want more of those. The masters aren't the best. I think those keys are pretty cool. Let's see if we can get this thing open here. There we go. Alright, here we are. Man, that was not the most comfortable position there. Anyway. There you go. Old master lock number 7. It says number 7 up there, and then number 56 there, and 3, 5, 6 there. I guess that's the serial number or whatever. Alright, anyway, take care all.